Hey everyone, so I have got some winter wear from Savannah. Some I bought last year and some are new. So the very first one we have is this belted fox leather jacket. I got this last year for my birthday. My size is S in this and the price I got it in is 25.76. The quality of this hands down the best. I'm in love with the color, this chocolate color, and it comes in 3 more colors as well. It has this Sherpa fabric inside, so it is extremely warm. Comes with a belt, but I'm not able to find my belt for now. But in pictures you can see it comes with the exact same belt. I've been wanting a leather jacket for so long, but not the ones like this. I feel like there is no use of them in the winters nor in the fall, in my opinion. But this on the other hand looks extremely stylish as well as warm at the same time in harsh winters. So yeah, it is way more practical for me. And you can see how this leather has this texture which makes it looks and feel expensive. And about the price, yes, it is a bit expensive, but it is definitely an investment piece. I mean, it will last you really long and you can get a lot of wear out of it. So yeah, totally worth it. I would definitely rate this a solid 10 on 10. Okay, so the next one is this seam knit pullover. I got this last year as well. My size is S in this and I got it for rupees 1034. So first of all, I really like the color of it and the minimal oversized look it has. Perfect if you are a petite like me. It has this amazing detailing where the seam is on the outer side. So definitely a unique casual pullover, and it has this laid back kind of vibe to it. Love the sleeves. It comes in 2 different colors and I have worn it a lot last year, so would definitely rate this a solid 9 out of 10. Okay, next up we have is this contrast stitch knit top. I also got this last year and it comes in this one size only. I got this for rupees 631. It is a must have top in my opinion. It is like those elevated basics for winters, not as a thermal, but definitely a layering piece in winter, a winter top you can say. It comes in 2 different colors and I'm planning to get the other color as well. It fits really well, extremely useful in winters, and I have worn this quite a lot last winter, so yes, would definitely rate this a solid 9 out of 10. So now we have the new pieces I got recently. This is the color block knit pullover. I've been eyeing this for so long, so I finally got it. I got this for rupees 945 and it also comes in this one size only. The quality is really great. It is quite thick, just a bit oversized for me, I feel, but overall I love the fabric and the look of the cardigan. The color is a bit dull than the picture, but nothing major. Rest, I would definitely rate this a 8 out of 10. Next up we have is this beautiful embroidered 2-piece shirt set. I got this for rupees 1266. My size is S in this. It looks like straight out of Pinterest. It is so pretty and girly. It comes in this 2-piece set, a shirt with the sweater. Love this apricot color. It comes in 4 different colors. Love the quality of both the pieces. The shirt is quite thick, the fabric is extremely thick and the sweater is so soft, feels like butter, so would definitely rate this a solid 10 on 10. Okay, next we have is this brown button knit cardigan. I got this for rupees 756 and it also comes in this one size. For me it fits really well, but if you are a bit thicker than me, then it will run small. Rest, I love it. I love how it looks. It is extremely stylish, has these 2 buttons on the side and it comes in this 4 colors. So all in all, I really love it. So would definitely rate this a solid 9 out of 10. Okay, next up we are having is this draped asymmetric top. I got this for rupees 790 and my size is XS in this. It is so pretty. The color is so beautiful for fall and winters. So why I included this in here is because the fabric is quite warm. It is not a spring summer top. So all in all, I really love it and it makes me look so good. So yeah, I would definitely rate this a solid 10 on 10. Okay, last up we have is this chocolate contrast pullover lightweight sweatshirt. My size is S in this, and I got this for rupees 1090. The fabric is not so thick. It's fine for this weather right now, and it fits fine on me, like perfect size I feel. Looks good, color is nice. Just like I didn't like the fabric of it, so would definitely rate this a 7 out of 10. So these were all the winter pieces I got from Savana. Do let me know which one you like the most. We'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye.